Let me show you how to use a switch remover tool. So as you see on this tool we have two different ends. So you see one like this that simply spreads out and one like this that can be squeezed inwards. So this part of the tool can be used to first remove the keycaps, and this other end can be used to actually pull out the switches from the keyboard if you want to replace them. So first, if you want to basically pull out the keycaps off, what you have to do is you simply have to spread out like this. Simply observe what I'm doing here. So I'm putting on the key like this, and I see it simply is able to get underneath the keycap. Okay, and then I can simply pull this off. So let's repeat it also here on this keycap. So you see underneath, and then we can simply pull it off. So you see just how easy. And then if you want to remove the switch itself, we have to actually use the other end. So you see you have basically these two like things. So if we observe the switch, so you see you also have this like release mechanism here. So you see this tiny thing in the middle. You simply squeeze it inwards to release the switch. So again, they have to be squeezed inwards, otherwise they won't like release. So for example, I'll put it on like this. So you see, you can simply grab your switch like this with this tool, and if you squeeze it together like this, see it simply will go inside. Okay, so let's actually do it over here. I see I will simply place my tool. Okay, so you see just like this, and I will try to simply squeeze those two things. Okay, and then you see we can actually pull off the switch here. Let's try again. So you see it simply comes out. If you observe, so you see I have squeezed it inside that little thing. And then, if you want to put in the new switch, it's very easy. But first, simply observe. So you see you have like a lot of tiny holes, like 4 small ones and also 1 big one. So you see you simply have to look at the back of your switch. So you see you have those pins. You want to simply align basically those holes with the pins. And then simply, so you see I can like drop this inside here, and then you simply like push it inwards with a bit of force. So you see it simply clicks inside. You should hear a click. So let's do it once more on this one as well. Simply first pull it on as this, so you see, and then simply push it inside till it clicks. And to replace the key, so you see, again, we can simply place it on and simply push it on. So you see, it has got that little holder. Okay, all good. Okay, good luck.